Hello guys, welcome back. I really wanna be stingy with you, but I can't. So I decided to give you or to teach you extra things for authorization and authentication. Uh, let's make it easy. I'm gonna do a recap, then I will teach you extra things for authentication and authorization. So let's basically start our development server. npm run dev. Wow. npm run dev. Okay. It's running on port 3000. So basically, I have an idea here. Simply, who can create accounts? Let's imagine that this backend is for company administration. It can be for company administration. Who can create accounts? Only admins and users. So let's inspire from this in order to create the authentication and authorization functionality. So person basically need to be logged in order to create user's account. Okay, so the admin need be to log it in, and the master need be logged in to in order he can create users accounts. Okay, let's go to the JWT. Verify token const verify token and and create account. Okay, let's do this. It's gonna be a try catch, and I'm gonna export it. Okay, if there is no token, const decoded equals verify token request.user decoded as user ID role string. Okay, I'm gonna get the role because what we said, who can create accounts is the admin and the master. Okay, const can create accounts request user role or request user equal to admin. Okay, if cannot create accounts, so you are not authorized to perform this action. Else we can let the user create the account. Okay, so now how it's gonna be working, let's go to the roots. There is the creation account, verify token, and the create account. We add the middleware. And since we are adding the middleware, we need to provide here what? We need to provide our user ID. Okay, this is our user ID, or we don't to provide. We don't need to provide. We don't need to provide. We already have our user ID in the authorization header. Okay, create user. Let's update this. Const user equals request.user as user ID string or role string. Okay, const target user role. So the user which we are going to create, just wait with me, I'm gonna explain it. It's gonna be a what? An admin or a master, and by default it's gonna be an admin or a user, and by default it's gonna be a user. Okay, now if user.role equal to admin target user equals to user, and this gonna be let, not const, because const can't be reassigned in JavaScript. If role equals master, target role it's gonna be user. Like this, we keep like a chain. So basically, me, I will pass my JWT token in the authorization header, as we learned. We will pass it in the authorization header like this. And the request is gonna be sent into this route, the create. But before accessing to the controller, the route will fire the middleware, the verification middleware. This verification middleware will verify if my token is not expired. Then it will verify if I am an admin or a master, because only masters can create admin accounts and only admins can create simple user accounts. Simple user cannot create any account. So I think it's pretty clear. Now let's go to the create user, and it's gonna be like this. It's simple. Here I got my request my request user. So this is me, yeah. This belongs to me, the user who is logged in. So I got my my role, and I defined the target user that I'm gonna to create. I initialized it with user. So the target user which I'm gonna to create is gonna be user. Then if my role is admin, so I am admin, I can't create a master because master is more powerful than admin. So admin can create simple user. And if I am master, I can create admin. Okay. Now, first name, last name, request.body. We are not going to touch this. Just here, we are going to pass the role. That's all. So basically, that's all. Let's now go into MongoDB. As you can see, yeah, you can imagine more like scenarios and try to simulate. It's easy, just about imagination. So let's connect to the local database. Here we got users. First of all, I'm gonna make myself user. Okay, I'm gonna make myself user. I'm gonna log in with my account. I think this is the login, this is the body. Send. User logged in successfully. I will copy my token. So basically this is my token, and I'm going to create a user, but I need first in the headers choose authorization like this, the value beer. By the way, here in the value, by convention, all coders and developers add bearer like this, but you can add anything. Here space, and you type you put the JWT token. Okay, let's go to the body. I'm going to create what? I'm going to create a user. Okay, so alt test.com. So now, as we told, if I am a simple user, I am not allowed to create other users account. So we are expecting that we have not authorization. Let's see what will happen. You are not authorized to perform this action. So Now, when I will make myself admin and I update, I need to log in again to renew my JWT token. I log in. Now the new token is generated. Control C. I can update the token in the authorization header. Now what we expect, I am admin. Automatically the account which gonna be created is a simple user. Send, and the role created is user. Okay, let's test the final case. I am going to delete this and I am going to make myself master. I click update. I should log in again. I get my new token. Why we are logging in again? Simple, we already studied this, because when we are trying to log in, we are generating a token. The token generated with the user ID and with the user role. So the user role is stored in the token. And we need to log in again to generate a new token because we updated in the database our role. Easy. We copy the token as we said. We can go to the create header. We update the token. I don't know why it's too large now. Yes, like this. And what we expect, we said that it will create an admin. Send, and now it created an admin. I think this will be a very useful complementary video. Please hit the like button and subscribe for next coding tutorials. Thank you very much.